Duit YouTube, conas. So this kind of crept up on me again. Long story short, I checked the website and the counter said I had plenty of time. Then I saw it last night and 7 hours, 8 hours left. So quick mad dash to set up my profile again and set up the my charity page, all of which will be in the link below. So as the title suggests, it's shave or die. So I don't know, this year shall we go with shave? I've dyed the last 2 years, I shaved a little bit there. I think we'll go for the whole hog maybe, or maybe just a side. I don't know. Answers in the comments below, please. Or on Facebook or Twitter or my WordPress, which I started blogging on, so certainly check that out. Again, links are in the description box below. This year I'm just setting a basic target of €100. If I raise more than that, fantastic. But that's my target. I aim to get at least €100. So this message goes out to all of YouTube, all of Facebook, all of Twitter. Come on guys, you know it's a good idea. Just give it a little. Gur míle maith agat chairde, agus slán.